Welcome back. Today we're working on the HP Latex 3600. We're having some issues with some chattering coming from the loading side and the double print blurriness on the final product. The number one reason that I have found when we have this type of issue is the center transmission for the dual spindle. A lot of the times the bearings in the cover latch are loose and not making contact with the spindle. So as it's advancing, the spindle is getting some movement, which is causing looseness and then feeding improperly. So let's take a look at the bearings and see. So it's always best to check the teeth of the center transmission to make sure that you don't have any broken teeth that's causing slippage between the dual spindles. These teeth all appear to be okay, so we're also going to check the bearings to make sure they are lubricated and moving. And these all appear to be. Oh, well, there's our problem. So if you notice, this side here, the bearing is loose and has a lot of play in it. So to fix that, we'll just throw the spindles on it, tighten down this bolt and loosen this up, and also tighten this bolt down to make sure that it's making contact with the spindle. All right, now that we have the spindles back in, let's go in and tighten this down. First thing you want to do is make sure you loosen up the bolts on both sides that hold the bearings in place using a T25 driver. As you can see, that one was already quite loose. Then we're going to loosen these nuts, these adjustment nuts up. Using our T15, we're just going to slightly tighten that down, just enough so it's making contact and the bearing is rotating smoothly on each side. Lock the nuts back down in. And tighten your bolts on the side. Now the machine is ready to go back into production. If you're having issues with your HP Latex 3600, 1500, 2700, Fatoba, or your HP 570, please leave a comment below. I'd love to be able to assist you. I can also create the video and walk you through the steps to get it back up and running. Thank you.